Hey guys, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson we're going to be going over opening Blender for the first time and taking a look at what we see. So I've got Blender open right here, and as you can see I've got this little splash screen that has popped up in the middle, and it'll go away if you click off, but if you open Blender and you just don't touch anything, it should stay up. And as you can see, I'm working in Blender 2.70a, and it's got this nice little rendering that they've done for their next open movie project. If you're using a different version of Blender, or if you're downloading a later version of Blender based on when you view this course, this may look a little different, but all the stuff down here should be relatively similar. So I just want to go over this briefly before we get to the next lesson. These are some helpful links you'll find over here if you need to go in and look at things like the manual and other things on the Blender website. There's a lot of good things here to check out when you have some time. Over here you'll find your recent projects. So as you can see here, I've been working on some things for this course, and if you don't want to have to go digging through your hard drive to find what you've been doing, every time you open Blender you should be able to just pull up what you've been working on last here, and it will save you a little bit of time there. And the last thing that I'll talk about in this little dialogue is this interaction preset that you can drop down here. What this will do is, if you're transitioning from another piece of 3D software, this will try to set up Blender's interaction with keyboard and mouse settings so that they're a little more familiar, such as the keyboard shortcuts and mouse settings you would find within 3ds Max or Maya. And so if you're not familiar with those pieces of software and you're new to 3D and this is the first 3D program you've used, don't worry about this. But just know that if you're used to these 3D programs, and one of the reasons you've been hesitant to get into Blender is because of the differences there, this can ease the learning process, the learning curve. So try those out, see if it helps, and that's that. So I will see you guys in the next lecture.